Alright, it's time for your daily crypto update with Framework Fortune Crypto. I'm your host, Ben. Now let's dive in. So we had some nasty pullbacks overnight and yesterday. Pretty nasty washout on all the coins. Bitcoin got hit pretty hard the last 2 days, dropping from 57,000. It got all the way down to 42,000 before buyers started coming back in, and they've pushed it back to this 49,000 area. So if it gets back above 50,000, it could still be on this uptrend, and this may just been a momentary quick pullback, which is what I think it was. So we just need to see it get back above 50,000. See on the 4 hour. Got close up there. Having a little problems. So sometime in the night and the morning it needs to be back above 50. Ethereum doesn't look quite as bad as Bitcoin does. It did have a pullback, like most everything did. But it's already rebounded back above 4,000 back in this channel. So it's above that 4,000 support. As long as it holds 4,000, it's fine. It did drop all the way at 3,500, 36 actually, but got bought up immediately off of that area. So with Ethereum looking like it does, I don't think we're going to continue to sell off. You can draw a trend line right now on Ethereum. It's a little downtrend. So as long as it breaks over this downtrend, pretty soon it should be start moving up again. But if for some reason, this is what we're going to look at is on the 4 hour, and probably even see it better on the 1 hour. Yeah. So here on the 1 hour, we are back above the 10-day, so we just need to see that break. So that means pop back up to 4,200. Now the 50 days around 4,200, so we could see a rejection there. But as long as this downtrend breaks, I think everything's going to be fine. Because everything's still, way up from where it was. Ethereum's still way above the trend line. Possible, yeah, it could pull back. But that support is still holding. So we saw Voyager take a real hard hit and then come right back up like it was nothing. So Voyager dropped down in that 360 area. And you can just see buyers coming back in strong. It's all the way back. Got all the way up to 440. Having a little bit of a pullback now, but it's above the $4 mark. So it's fine. Back in this wedge. Could even, maybe take it like that, like for the wedge. Actually, that looks way better for the wedge. Now that we've had this third bottom here. But that was the third time that Voyager has tested that 350 area and was immediately bought off of it. So I think with this wedge we got here, that Voyager's probably not going much lower. Now we did get some pops back up. Luna, another reason why I think that we're not going into a bear cycle or anything. Luna had sold off all the way down to 49, but has already pushed back up for new highs. Hit $75, and actually, no, it didn't quite hit. It did. Let's see. Hit right at 75, but still on a trend line. So nothing bearish about that. The pullback it had was just to the trend line and got bought up a lot. And people just ate Luna up at those prices. So that's a strong sign there. And then we got REQ, which didn't really get any type of pullback at all. It's up 12% right now. This could be one to keep an eye on over the next week. as it is filling out this big wedge quite nicely. So, I mean, the stock market dropped, and I think that's probably a lot of it was knee-jerk reaction. Investors like, oh no, the stock market's dropping, everything's going to probably drop. This is what it seemed like. It just seemed like a knee-jerk reaction. Not like anything big. Yeah, see, man, it dropped down to 261 all the way back up to 412. So if you bought these dips, you're already up in quite a bit of profit. We'll move that line on AMP since it cracked that. AMP coming almost all the way back down to its trend line, but rebounding again, still on a big fat wedge. Now, Atom did not rebound that hard. Luna was able to rebound. Atom was running nicely, got all the way up to 36, pulled all the way down to 23, which I don't quite have my money all set up at the moment because I'm moving some funds around to Binance and stuff. Or I would have definitely caught some in that 24, 25 area. I'm absolutely fine with Atom down in that area. But the concern for Atom now is, can it hold up this support line? Because it has threw wicks down there multiple times. Let's move this support line down a little bit lower, maybe. Yeah, might as well just put it at 25. But we've been building lower lows, which is a concern. You can see low there, lower low here, and now a lower low. That usually means a sell-off is coming, especially if you're getting lower highs as well. The only weird thing is we've gotten higher highs. So we got a higher high there and a higher high there. So lower lows and higher highs. I really don't have any idea which way Atom's going to go. But it has rebounded up to 27. And, I don't know. We'll see. As long as it's above 25, Atom's fine to continue running. I really couldn't see it dropping below 25. If it does, the lowest I think we could see is $10, which I'll be buying a lot of Atom at $10. But we'll see. We're still, still kind of in this little mid consolidation of these big quick pullbacks. What's up, HH? We've been playing phone tag today. Ooh, Sentinels got really cheap. I might grab some more Sentinel, which means I have to grab some more Atom. This is one I'm staking. This thing's been on a massive downtrend since it went on its initial run. But this is definitely a time, because what is it at? A penny, almost 2 pennies? Yeah, I think I'm going to be picking up some more of that. Solana. Yeah, Solana had that big pullback. Whoops, get out of here. This trend line's pretty much cracked on Solana. Get out of here, man. What are you doing? Click the arrow. So even if we bring the trend line down, it still wouldn't really quite match up unless you did it like that. So we'll see if that trend line holds like that for a couple of days. But it was able to rebound back above 200, which is a good sign. We have this downtrend here. So basically it looks like we're going to be in a lot of triangle patterns of consolidation on a lot of the coins that we watch. Fetch cracked that trend line. Fetch, that trend line's definitely done. So let's see, there is some support right on this last dip and right across there. So again, another big wedge. So what I'm thinking is this is the pullback for December. Now we're going to slowly build our way back up through December. We'll probably have some more altcoins ripping. But I think we're going to see one more big push in this bull run into January. That's what I'm thinking. See BTT holding up. Let's go and see. Check out BTT, whatever the damn name is. There it is. So BTBT did have a pullback to 2 cents. Cracking below that trend line. So that trend line's pretty much done. We can draw this support line here, though, that's held up. There's resistance back through here, support holding through here, and it's basically right at that 2 cent area. So that's a nice hold of support. Did you pick more up there, HH? Looking at the monthly. Oh yeah, that's super strong support at 2 cents. Because on the monthly, that was the previous highs before this last run. Let's see, this line is crooked as hell, so I can straighten it out. That still seems crooked. There we go. But it hit those highs back there. And just coming back down to those previous highs. So yeah, that's a good hold of support. And does have an uptrend probably forming on the monthly. But as long as it's holding that support, that thing's good to go. That's strong, strong support. You're all over this one, HH. Did you pick some up at 2 cents? I bet you did. I bet you picked some up at 2 cents. It's weird. My streams are not showing me how many people's in the streams today. I keep thinking I'm sitting here talking to nobody, and then people start talking in the chat. Yeah. Again, see, like it's not showing you that you're even in the chat, and if anybody else is, I have no idea who's in the chat and who's not. It just looks like I'm talking to nobody, which is sad. All right. Anyway, BT. Why did you make me start covering this coin, Hal? You know I have to say BT all the time in stocks. BTT, not looking too bad. God's token did have a pretty nasty pullback as well, but you can see already rebounded back to 425, back above that $4 area. I would have loved to caught this at 3, but I didn't see it. But holding that $4 support so far. If you caught the live gameplay earlier for the weekend ranked event, then nice catching that. But if you haven't caught it, go check that out. You can see me actually playing Gods for a few hours, earning some nice prize pool for this weekend event, some nice packs. Went on I think 18, and let's see, actually let's just look real quick. See how many wins did I have here. Let's refresh this. So I won 16 of 25 matches, getting up to a nice little loot pool here of 5 packs, 5 free packs. of epic, 4 epics and 1 rare, so that's nice. What's up, Lauren? There you go. HH, take a look at that laptop for Lauren. Help her out there. I don't know why anybody would have dumped gods here. And this is like, that's why I don't think we're in a bear cycle or going into a bear cycle, because this is just knee-jerk reaction. Like, if it wasn't every single coin that pulled back, like, there's coins that shouldn't pull back that much. Like, gods is one of them. This coin has just came out, and players of the game are wanting as much God's token as they can so they can make and mint the NFTs for more money. So seeing a big sell-off like that is just probably people just scared to hold because they saw Bitcoin crashing. What now, Lauren? Oh, when I'm streaming. Oh, I got you. I got you. All right, I got you. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll hit you up. I did post in the frameworkfortune.com crypto thing today that I would be going live at 4:30 for this stream. But yeah, I will message you for those weird ones. Well, I mean, I posted for the live one, the live gameplay footage of gods too. I posted that on the website, but I know sometimes I don't post on there. Speaking of the website, if you haven't yet, go join frameworkfortune.com. It is free. There's no paywalls, and you can join the whole community chatting it up there about crypto, stocks, and everything else out there. Let's take a look here at Sheeb. So Sheeb, not really surprised to see it pull back, and the pullback wasn't really even that drastic on Sheeb. It was already downtrending, so just still following this downtrend in this channel, bouncing back off of that downtrending support. So we've got to see something out of Sheeb. Actually, it's still, before I had this drawn, it was like right down this, and it looked like it was going to kind of break out of that descending triangle, but it's still in it right now. Come on. But Sheep does have really, really strong support right across here, where it hit at there's resistance, bounced off a little bit there's support, had some congestion there, and then held up through here. So actually I'm gonna now that we're out of that little wedge, if you can see it's kind of struggling to get back above the support area. Let me actually touch it to those tips. There we go. She might be ready to turn around now. Now that Sheeb hit this previous support again, and if it can hold up here, probably see Sheeb in the next couple, maybe towards the end of the week next week, Sheeb might start running again. I don't know if I'm going to be making any trades. I don't like doing any actual trading during a down market like this, but we'll pop over to Binance and let's see what, let's go to the markets real quick. So Matic and Solana, those still having pretty good volume. Cardano really took a hit, which Well, really not really, because it's been at that price for a lot of the year. So not really anything from the volume you can tell. Look at this 24-hour change. Helium 30. So this was down to 25. Let's see how volatile this thing is. 15-minute there. Interesting 15-minute. We've been on this nice uptrend since the pullback. Do have that 200-day coming down right there. But break over 35. This could start running again. Sorry guys, I'm still getting used to, you gotta like stop the scroll wheel once you start scrolling. Still getting used to Binance. Probably gonna take me a week. Let's look on the 5-minute here. So there's not a lot of volume on it at the moment though at 35. Very low volume. See how the volume is on Mana. Mana's got pretty decent volume. Sam must like Mana. We have a nice uptrend there as well. I actually might jump in here. Must have has a little pullback here first. Because we have this little triangle in the short term. It looks like it may need to pull back one more time and then bounce off of there. We could possibly see it run up to 450. Get a little indecision there. See where those, all three of these 1 minute candles just getting flattened right at 418, right at the downtrend. Oh yeah, my wife, she's working up the I don't know, she's been thinking about starting her own channel. She has a lot of different ideas, so I'm not sure exactly yet what her channel is going to be about. She was thinking about maybe doing a Gods Unchained channel as well, because she enjoys that game. But I would say you'll start seeing more of her in the future. And she's getting more and more interested in starting her own channel. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome Josie's doing that. I hope that Holly let me know. I appreciate that. So we are getting a little pullback here. Be our first sub. There you go. Well, I can tell you this. Her channel will grow a lot faster than mine because she's way prettier than I am. So... Not a whole child. So I'm gonna hop in there and see if it comes back up and test. So I got 101 of them. See, where'd I get filled at? I got filled at 415.33. It may have to come all the way back down here to the trend line though, but I'm seeing if this is gonna hold. Look at this 5 minute. Look at 15 minute actually. Well, actually that's right on the 10-day, so we'll see. This may work out pretty well. Exactly. Exactly, Lauren. There you go. Give me just a second, guys. I'll be right back. We'll take a small little break here. All right, so we are getting a pop back up here on Mana. Second at 415, so I'm up a couple of cents. So I'm just going to hold it because Mana is a slower mover, but I like the way it's looking. I'm just going to see if it continues to rip up, get over that 425, and possibly rip back to 450. Because before this big crash, it was right around that 4. I kind of where we're at now. But I'm going to give it some time to try to get back up that 450 area. All right, Lauren, go get that computer. Have a great weekend. We'll talk to you later. So yeah, we're even on this 15-minute. We're just climbing nicely right up the 10-day moving average. Just got to get this break here. Damn, I might should be trading Luna right now. Luna's at 75. If Luna can break 75, let's see what it looks like on the 15. Oh, yeah. So Luna tried a couple of times, pulled back, and is now trying again. So possible breakout above 75 for more new highs for Luna. But you do want to see it break soon. You don't want it to get held up again here and come back down. What's the wrong thing? I don't have enough money in this account really to trade Luna right now, though. I need to finish moving money around. But Luna, even after that drop from last night, just so bullish. Just it doesn't give a, it doesn't care whatsoever about anything else going on in the market. Just blasting. Yeah, see, we look pretty good here on Mana. So I'd say a lot of these moves right now are dependent on whether or not Ethereum breaks its downtrend. Ethereum, that's already over 4,100. So we got rejected on that attempt. So we come back a little bit. We may even come down to 412 before we start to rebound again. Man, I should have picked some Crow up at 50 cents. I've been wanting to pick up Crow. That was a great time to buy it at 50. I missed that completely, but 60 still not too bad for Crow. Because I want to start staking Crow in my Kepler wallet. Matter of fact, let's get funky. Let's move some money around. Let's see, I can't transfer Atom from there. So I'm looking on Voyager right now because it's where a lot of my crypto investments are at. No, I can't transfer Atom from there. So let me see, how would be the best? How did I do it last time? Because I gotta get the Atom in my Kepler wallet. Let's see, I don't think I can buy directly from the Kepler wallet either. So these airdrops, what are these tokens about right here? Let me pull up the whole Kepler wallet here. Because I know there was another airdrop for something. I got to watch it here. Liam from Confident in Crypto is talking about it. If you haven't hollered at Liam, go holler at him. If you're staking Atom, you're supposed to be able to get DSM token airdrop. So I might have to move some Ethereum. What the fuck? Let's see. There we go. Oh no, there's the Kepler. So let's see. IOV a star name. So maybe those are tokens that I'm holding. I don't remember buying any star name, but maybe I did. Yeah, it's saying IOV balance is 0. I know I have persistence. Did I get any extra persistence or something? Well, anyway. So I don't think I can buy directly from Kepler Wallet yet. Whoa, Osmos is up to 116. See, I kind of want to pick up some Osmos. 116% a year. Cosmos has moved up to 12%, so that's nice. We're getting a little bit more from Cosmos with that price being down. I'm not mad at that. So if you've been staking, Atom, I'll listen to Liam's video. If you guys don't, here, I'll just get you a link to Liam's video too if you're an Atom staker. Because I'm not sure. I didn't even know this airdrop was coming out. Liam is way deeper into Cosmos, like super deep. So it's nice to have him as a resource in the Framework Fortune community. Okay, so that's not going to work. Let's check on Mana real quick. Yeah, Mana's having us a little pullback to the trend line. As long as it holds up here, we should start to get a little bounce. So I'm going to need to... Oh, you know what? I'll just do it on Coinbase. I have some extra money left in Coinbase Pro at the moment. What I got? 63 Voyager there, $262. Yeah, so let's sell those. I'll just do it this way. This will be really quick. Oh, I was about to say, I thought Atom was at... Yeah, Atom's at 28. I have no problem buying it at 28. Give me all of them. And then we're just going to withdraw that Atom. Crypto address. Let me just copy and paste that Cosmos address right there. Pop that bad boy in, use this address. I don't need a memo. And we're going to switch over the max amount. And the processing time should take 5 seconds. Oh yeah, and then I got to put in the stupid code. Come on. So withdrawal has started. Shouldn't take too long. Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's close to breaking back over 50,000 now. Nice little U-shape there. So yeah, we might see the whole crypto market get hot, but I want to get some of this Crow while it's at a cheap price. So let's check Kepler and see if that atom's in there yet. Yes, it is. Look at that. Look how fast that is from Coinbase to Kepler. Very, very fast. Now we need to go to the actually, let's go to Osmos, because I want to pick up some Osmos. That's the wrong thing. Whoops. Yeah, it's a spa. I don't want to go to a spa. Osmosis Exchange. Because I think... Well, actually, let's look at both. What's the other one? Let's see, mana, you're going to drop two. Let's see. So mana's right at the trend line. If that does not hold this trend line, I'm getting out. Gravity Dex, that's the other one. So I know I can get Crow from Imerus. The Gravity Dex, but I'm going to see what we have on Osmos real quick. Terra IBC. Click this banner and add Terra to Kepler. I think I absolutely will. Hell yeah. I did not know that was coming out. So I don't have any Luna right now to deposit, but if I can stake on Kepler, that's beautiful. Good to know. So let's see. Trade. Yeah, we got Crow here. So it cost... My wallet not connected? What's going on here? Let's see. Well, I've used Imerus more. I'm way more familiar with this one. So, okay, I can get Osmos from here. So, yeah, I'm not even going to use Osmosis. I'm going to use Imerus because it's the one I'm used to using. Connect Kepler. Mana's starting to crack there. Let's give it a little bit of a second. So I definitely want to grab some Crow. Let's go. How much will 2 Atom get me? 91 Crow. I want a little bit more than that. Let's go. Got 9 Atom. Yeah, let's go with 155. Very low fees, doesn't cost much at all. So we're going to go ahead and swap these bad boys over. Give me some of that sweet, sweet crow. It didn't open my Kepler wallet, so let's reopen Kepler and see if it's going to send us that little message. Oh no, it's trying to open Kepler now. So usually doesn't take this long on Emrys. I'm not seeing. Okay, so nice. Mana was able to hold up, bounce off of, what is that, 410 or something like that. Nice move there so far. Try this again. There it goes. Okay, so prove. Hold on, let's retry this swap again. I don't know what's going on there. I've never had any issues with this swap before, but you never know, man. Interesting. Oh no, I got my crow. Here's my crow right here. So it did go in there. I've somehow, how the hell did I get a 311 crow? All right. Anyway. So I got that crow in there. Let's real quick and make sure. Usually I have to put it on a chain to stake it, but maybe Kepler will just let you. Let's check and see if my crow's in here. Oh, here it is. Crypto. I was looking for crow. It's crypto.org. Okay, so I'm gonna have to get this crow onto the crow. No, I don't want the pool. I've got to get crow moved over. How do I do it? I think it's send. Yeah, here we go. Move assets between chains. So we're going to move crow from Cosmos to crypto.org. Bam, boom, bam, max. Continue. And it's going to cost them barely anything. And now we're moving assets across chains. And mana opening up right below the trend line. Right around, right, it's under the 10-day right at the second. It's got to get back above that 10-day on the 15-minute. Okay, sometime today, buddy. It does. There it goes. So there's some problems with Emirates tonight. Maybe that is Saturday, like 5 o'clock. There may be a lot of people using Emirates, especially with some of these prices being pretty low. So I'm picking up Crow, and I'm going to pick up, what else did I say I was going to pick up? Oh, more DVPN, yeah. Because it's stupid cheap. As soon as Emirates works here. Let's just check and see if it, nope, still not sent them over yet. Another thing we gotta do real quick is, oh, this is not it. What is it, rewards? Yeah, stakingrewards.com. I want to see what Crow is staking for. So you only got 13% people staking it. It's like 10%. Yeah, right there. Adjusted reward 5%. So looking at these delegators, probably delegate to this all nodes, but I've never heard of all nodes. It's saying 0% fee. But let's look them up and make sure that, yeah, here we go. Non-custodial platform. Got some Trustpilot reviews. Not familiar with any of these except for Blockchain Foundry and Stakehound. Free Helium hosting. Here we go. It actually tells us the moderators that they have. Let's see, where is Crow? Oh, okay, it's not in any type of order. Let's see about them. Huh. They seem legit enough. This went through yet? Couldn't fetch your transaction results. So let's look on the mint scan. So that status failed. Out of gas in location. Huh. So let's refresh this again. Nope, that Crow did not get in there. So we're going to have to try to do this again. Move assets Crow from Cosmos. Maybe, let's see, what is the fee? Is the fee in Crow or is it in Atom? It should be in Atom. Yeah, transaction fees and Atom, so that's fine. Man, it's still barely holding up. Let's get out of here. Come on, Emrys. So real quick, I want to check on crypto.com itself and see what their staking is directly with them while we're waiting on that. That's 14% on stable coins. Oh, so it's only 6% on Crow for Crow, so I'm actually getting better percentage by doing it through Kepler. Good to know. If we can make this happen here. If I can get my Crow on this damn thing here. Mana is very close to cracking. Let's see, I got it at 415. I'm down 7 cents. I'm down like $7. Struggling to hold that trend line. So real quick, let's take a look at Bitcoin and Ethereum again. Make sure they're not turning around. Because even though I don't think that we're going to be entering into a bearish market, doesn't mean that it can't happen. Oh, it's in the purple. There we go. Why? So Bitcoin get rejected at 49.6. So that resistance has to break to get up to 50. It still looks good. Still above this 10-day on the 15-minute. Ether getting a little... So with Ether getting a little rejection there, we may have another pullback here tonight. I don't know if it... I don't think it'll be this big of a pullback. If it is, then we got some real issues, but... So we're having the same problem again. Transferring Crow. What's going on with Emrys today? Oh yeah, in this 1 minute, it looks like man is about to drop. Little bearish candle. Follow it in this little green smush candle. Check the 5 minute. No, you can't really see it on the 5 minute. So let's try putting in a stop limit on this thing. So 406.12. Let's put it below. Let's put it below 5. We'll just stop out at 4.05. Well, I just popped back up to 410, so we're not looking too bad there. Eight. All right, so there's that stop loss. Nice. So I got my stop loss in there. Of course, it's been some sketchy stuff with Binance and their stop losses, so we'll see how this stop loss works. So again, I think I lost some money there on that one. Let's see. So we did just get a message saying that Emirates is down, unfortunately. Let's see. See if I can go ahead and get this DVP in for now. Let me click back to DVP. I'll make sure I'm getting it where I want to get it at. Oh yeah, below 2 cents sounds beautiful. Let's see if it works. See, one Cosmos, yeah, it's 1,000 of them. Actually, 1,500 of them. Yeah, I'll take that. That's good. See if it works here. Like I said, I've never had these problems before with Emirates. I had to go back to osmosis. Yeah, so Mana tried to pull back up there. Got rejected. Is pulling back again. So, Now, I got my stop loss in there, so I'm not worried about it. Yeah, so it's saying that they're already on Kepler. My DVP. Oh, I gotta put them across. She's showing Sentinel right there. 1,500 of them. So let's see if they'll move. If they don't move, then it's just Emirates all together, and I'll have to wait till they get this resolved. The hell? Where's the... Where's DVPN at? Moves. Oh, okay, I see. Move Cosmos up to Sentinel. There we go. I see what I did. Never mind. Been stupid. Max DVPN. Still here, Lauren? Nice. Yeah, so we're having the same problems. I've transferred plenty of DVPN and never had any issues, so it's just Emirates all together right now. Oh well. I'll have to stake later. I will be staking those, but I got them, I got them at the prices I wanted. Luna did break 75. God, that is the one I should have traded. Look at that. 75 up to 85. $10 rip. Nice move there on Luna. Beautiful rip. Looks like I just got stopped out. Yeah, it just threw one little wick there under that 405 on mana. So that's fine. I'm not concerned about being stopped out there. That trade did not work, but it was only $10 I risk on that trade, so you want to have Luna? Can't even, they don't have Luna to trade on here. Well, that's alright. Yeah, so looks like we are rebounding pretty much across the entire crypto market. As long as that continues, I think we're going to be absolutely fine. Yeah, Ethereum bouncing off that 50-day. So, not looking too bad. Check this one more time. Nope, it's still transferring. So that ain't going to work. So, alright guys, that's pretty much it for the daily crypto update. There's just not anything really at the moment. Like, I was looking for the trade on Mana, but Mana stopping me out there. It still very easily could move back up, but it's having a lot of problems here on the 15-minute right at this 420 area. Hit it and is now kind of downtrending from it. So we really need to see it pop back over it. So I'm not going to look to take another trade on that. I really don't like day trading cryptos in a down market. So I'd really like to see one tomorrow, a little bit more rebound on everything to confirm that we're rebounding and coming back before I really take any huge trades. So, if you guys haven't yet, check out frameworkfortune.com. It is free. We will be back Monday for more live crypto updates, 4:30 Centrals. And then if you like stocks or any of that, or you want to get into stocks, the Framework Fortune home channel, we do live streams Monday through Friday at 9 a.m. Central. Appreciate everybody joining me as always. Stay safe out there. Until next time.